tap on the Sphero Edu app. Once you're in the platform, tap on Programs on the side. To start a new program, tap the plus sign in the bottom, check it says Blocks, and then Sphero, that's what we're using, and then type in your name so you can find your program again. Then click Create. Here's what your coding platform looks like. You have all the blocks on the bottom. You have a start block to connect all your codes to. So the codes will read from top to bottom in order. So you can scroll through and try all of those codes, but let's start with this first block. This is a great one to start with. You can tap in the circles to change it. So right now it's saying that Sphero is going to roll at 0 degrees for 0 speed for 0 seconds. So Sphero's not going to go anywhere, so you want to change that up. So for your speed, it's good to start around 50 or less. It goes pretty fast. And for your seconds, try going 10 or less. Before we can press start, we need to connect. So tap aim and look for the name tag on your Sphero and tap the same name on your screen. Once you are connected, Sphero will start glowing, and you know that is your chosen one. Before we press start on our program, we always need to aim our Sphero. So Sphero runs away from its light. It's like having a little bee on its back. It's going to run away from it. So always tap aim at the top and then aim Sphero the direction you want it to go in before pressing start. Now, once you press start, and if you notice Sphero is going the wrong way, the start button will turn into a stop button. So press stop if Sphero is going to run into something. Don't just let it run into it. Stop your program, and then always pick up your Sphero and bring it back to your starting location. Don't drive it back to the starting spot.